Welcome back. Today let's talk about one of my absolute favorite prime lenses, the Canon RF 85mm f1.2 L USM lens. The RF 85mm 1.2 is part of Canon's L series, known for its premium build quality and optical performance. But is it worth the hype and more importantly the price tag? Let's break it down. And first let's talk about the build quality and design. This lens is a beast. It's quite hefty with around 1.2 kg, but for sure the build quality is exactly what you would expect from the Canon L series. The focus ring is smooth, providing a great manual focus experience when needed, plus the customizable control ring allows to adjust all kind of settings like aperture or ISO on the fly. I personally use it to adjust my ISO all the time, and it's a feature that I don't want to miss anymore. On top you can also see two switches, one switch for the AF and MF settings and one for the focus distance. And just to mention that really quickly, you can also see a helix filter mount here that I've added just a couple of days ago. But all photos that I will share in this video are taken without any filters in front of the lens. But now let's talk about the most important part, optical performance. And the RF 85mm 1.2 is known for its incredible sharpness, even wide open at f1.2. And yes, this makes it perfect for portrait photography where you want that creamy bokeh and the sharp subject isolation. And to be honest here, it's just fantastic. The results are super clean, and just after the first photo session with this lens, the 85mm 1.2 became my absolute favorite prime lens. Especially the ability to shoot wide open at f1.2 allows to capture beautiful dreamy portraits. The sharpness of the subject against a blurred background adds a touch of magic to those special moments. This is especially useful when shooting on location or in busy environments where the background might be otherwise distracting. On top, in low light situations, the RF 85mm 1.2 performs absolutely great. The large aperture allows more light to hit the sensor, reducing the need for high ISO settings and helping to maintain image quality with minimal noise. For sure, the autofocus performance is another important factor. In real-world usage, I found the autofocus to be quick and accurate even in low light conditions. So whether you're shooting portraits or tracking a moving subject, this lens handles it with ease. And yes, whenever I want to shoot some portraits, I always pick up the 85mm 1.2. But who is this lens for? Well, for sure portrait photographers will get the most out of this lens. The 85mm focal length is ideal for these kind of images. On top you can easily create a nice separation between the subject and the background. But in my opinion, it's not just for the everyday portraits. It's also great for a variety of other photography genres, including dog and event photography. It just depends on what you want to do. You can also use it for some types of video work. Thanks to its impressive bokeh and low light performance, you can also capture some great footage here. But for sure, the Canon RF 85mm 1.2 USM is not cheap. I actually sold two of my old lenses and I got some cash back, so I avoided the situation that I had to spend all my hard-earned money to get one. So that's why I always recommend invest wisely and always wait for any discounts or cashback promotions to get one as cheap as possible, or even buy a used version. Because yeah, at the end of the day, the 85mm 1.2 is not a lens that you just buy randomly. At this price point, this lens is a significant investment. However, for professionals who demand the highest quality and rely on their gear to deliver constantly stunning results, this lens is absolutely worth it. The combination of its build quality, outstanding optical performance and versatility makes it a valuable addition to any serious photographer's kit. But what's about the downsides? While the RF 85mm 1.2 is such a fantastic lens, there are of course some drawbacks. And the most notable one is for sure its size and weight. At nearly 1.2 kg it's not the most portable option, and carrying it around for extended periods can be tough. And yeah, for sure it's not a small lens as well. Additionally, the high price point puts it out of reach for many hobby photographers. So the final question is it actually worth it? At the end of the day, if you need a lens that offers a stunning image quality and if you are a professional or serious enthusiast, then yes, it's worth every penny. This lens actually makes things so much easier for me, and I just love the results. For me, it's a combination of build quality, optical performance and versatile use cases that makes this lens a worthwhile investment. In all kind of other cases, you can also pick up the way cheaper RF 85mm f2 lens, the EF version, or even third-party lenses in combination with the EF to RF adapter. But yeah, what do you think about the RF 85mm 1.2? Let me know that in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you need, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.